This is the 2022 range of motorhomes from Italian producer Rimor. This vehicle here is the Seal 50, named after a friendly marine mammal. This has an overcab up there, which means there's going to be a stack of people you're going to try and fit inside. So this thing will cost 53,500 euros. Oh, and the lights have gone off. And oh, can anybody see? It's so dark in here now. Anyway, 6 seating places, 6 sleeping places, and the door is still open. The lights are still on in here. Oh, this is odd. Oh, this is really different. Well, you've got a double bed over there, which has gone up, which is convenient if you're trying to get out the front seats. You've got all of this down here, which looks a bit odd because you can change the seats around, and somebody's been sort of maybe messing around with something with a sense of humour. I like to see people with a sense of humour, and they're trying to make something out of this. But the fact is, what this demonstrates is that this camper van is versatile. It also comes with 4 beds here. Got there, you can see out of this one from here, and from here, and from here, and there as well. Yeah, I didn't get the measurements. I'll get the measurements. There's the toilet and shower at the very back as well. I've never seen this model before. This is absolutely the first time. I thought it was another one when I walked in. But wow, okay. It's quite different. I like to see motorhomes which are out of the ordinary, and this is definitely out of the ordinary. It really is unusual. Let's have a look at this. Alright, plenty of space in there. I don't think you get enough for 6 people in the clothing for 6 people. Depends how long you're going for, doesn't it, really? If you're just going for a couple of hours to sit somewhere in the rain and then come back again, it might be sufficient. Right, 3 burners here. Sink. And oh, right, you want to go?
Sorry, yes.
Okay, right, so gotta go now.
Yeah.
Okay, non importa. Allora, passiamo. Right, so that's it. You've seen this one here. It costs. Oh, right. So we have a demonstration of the lights being turned off, and there we have the lights being turned off, and. Right, maybe you want to say something to the viewer.
This is a special model. I don't know if you're already told that this layout is only by us.
Oh,
and,
I did mention I hadn't seen it
do.
before. Yeah.
It's a new layout. It is normally one of our best sellers, and because of the flexible space and configuration of the camper car, so you can have 2 garages and 2 beds, 4 beds in the back, 1 garage and 3 beds, so you can choose whatever your exigencies are.
Yes. Okay.
Special for families.
Yeah.
For
Yes.
big families.
For big
For
families.
children.
Yes. Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Very good.
Thank
Super.
you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye. So, it's nice to get a little bit of an explanation from somebody else. The people there from Rimor, I can't introduce them, I don't know the names. Thanks for watching.